Mamaya yung interest rate decision. Tatlo naman ang pwedeng outcome yan. They will increase by 25 basis points, they will decrease by 25 basis points, or they will retain the interest rate. For the past few interest rate decisions, walang increase po na nangyari in the immediate past, in recent past. Pagka freeze, no increase ang nangyari. So this time, for me, ito narrative, ito theory tinitignan ko. Kung sakali na hindi mag-i-increase ng interest rate ang Federal Reserve, ibig sabihin, pwedeng i-take yan ng mga traders na status quo. Status quo tayo, tuloy ang buhay, happy-happy. We've been here for na mahaya ang interest rate for the longest period of time. Ano pagbabago? Wala. So status quo, kita mo yung Nasdaq, tignan mo yung SPX, akyat. Kapag ka naman nag-decrease ng interest rate, sasabihin nila, ay, okay, goods to. Money will flow to capital market kasi bumababa na yung interest rate. Akyat na naman. Kapag ka naman nag-increase, kanina decrease, no? Neutral, decrease, increase. Ito yung increase. Pagka naman nag-increase ng interest rate, ang iisipin ng mga traders, investors, something is really wrong with the economy. Bakit nag-i-increase pa rin si Federal Reserve? Hindi niya na makontrol yung inflation. Let's go to safe haven. Ano ba yung kinukonsider na safe haven assets? Gold and Bitcoin. Akyat na naman. Ang theory ko lang kahit ano gawin, pwede umakyat. Kasi yung market paakyat eh. How many times I've told you na kung ano yung ginagawa ng market, kapag ka-scheduled na yung news, itutuloy niya lang yung ginagawa niya. Kung uptrend yan, uptrend. Kung sideways, sideways. Kung downtrend, downtrend. Uptrend time eh. Scheduled news to eh. Anong bago rito? So, exciting to mamaya, mga titos at titas ha. Mag-ingat lang kasi baka ma-liquidate kayo ha. Baka mamaya biglang bumaba o bumatak pataas, malikot yan. Mag-ingat. So, mag-grinding the futures webinar.